let's try this. If you want to work symmetrically in quadrants, it will show you your options for symmetry. I'm going to try four-sided and see how it goes. Oh, you can also, you can isolate the symmetry so that if there's some area that you want, so much fun, right? So that you can see where I isolated the red corners, and I can do some other things here. Where is my, that's what I want to do. If I want to pull that out, but it leaves the other parts where they are, see? Oh, and don't do this. This is where you cross things in on itself. Not useful. In fact, rather counter-useful. And then we can turn things the other way, because too much fun. And sure. Okay, so there's an option for isolating, and what else? Oh, and you can clear it. So if you then have something that you want to go in and really mess around with, you can see how this takes that symmetry off, and you can then proceed to edit just one section separately than the others. So this is where if you have some part that needs to be different, you could do that. Anyway, you can see how that really starts to free up the options for various forms. Another option, creasing. You can crease edges. So it's pointy instead of round. Oh, I'm not doing the symmetry thing anymore, so it'll make it a little wonky. But you can see how those are not rounded edges anymore. They're pointy, right? So you can see the difference, maybe? I hope. That opens up a whole another set of possibilities. I love this program. So far so good. I don't think we've messed this up so badly that we couldn't export as an STL. In order to do that, you would need to finish the form. What else do we want to try here while we're at it? How about, this is starting to look a little bit chair-like. I think I have furniture on the brain. Let's modify this just a little bit. front edge with your legs is probably not the best plan for a sharp edge, but whatever. We're there. Looks chair-like. Looks like it might not sit level. It's got its own problems, right? There we go. Sometimes trying to find the right axis for this stuff is the hardest part. That doesn't look too bad. What do we think? It's more level than it was. It's still not really touching, but it's better. I can also manipulate that in Simplify as well. So, okay, so let's do this. Save as STL. I'm going to export that one more time. Maybe level-ish. Okay, so there's some capacity for sculpt mode, mirroring, symmetry, pattern, etc.